Hi, in front of me is LG K22 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started and tap OK. Then click on the switcher next to LED keyboard and tap OK again. Choose Input Options and tap on LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it, choose Download Theme and wait. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!